Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Steam overlay and screenshot hotkey are active so you can capture in the moment. Once done, pick a consistent folder or confirm Steam's default safe path so you don't hunt for files later. Next, test the hotkey quickly in a warm-up match. Press the screenshot key, then open Steam's interface to verify the capture registered. This first step gets tools ready and prevents lost screenshots before you move into game-specific settings. Now you refine how you capture. Open Cs2, enable the developer console, and bind a convenient key for screenshots if you prefer a game key. Once the console is available, adjust capture-related commands to set format and quality so images match your needs. Higher quality costs disk space. Make several test shots at different resolutions, then review them in Steam's Screenshot Manager to confirm format, file name, and folder. This middle phase ensures consistent, usable images for sharing or editing. Finish by exporting and organizing. Open Steam's Screenshot tool, tag and export the images to your preferred folder, and rename with map or timestamp to stay organized. Once organized, move or back up the best shots for editing or sharing. If a capture didn't save, make sure the overlay remains enabled and no other program is using the hotkey. Next, verify Cs2 game files and check folder write permissions. This final step closes the loop and gives you one troubleshooting tip to resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.